How increase your video views? To increase views your video on YouTube, you can try the following technique. Create a eye-catching thumbnail that stand out of the crowd. Use color like blue, orange, and yellow to make your video more noticeable. 2. Copy this prevent video description and templates. Optimize your video description to help YouTube algorithm understand what your video are about. 3. Boost your video title CTR. Craft compelling title that entries views to click on your YouTube. 4. Get more suggest video views. Increase the chance of your videos view recommended by YouTube algorithm. There are just a few strategies to get you started. For more details, tips, and technique, you can refer to the article. Remember, create a high quality content that resonates with your target audience is key to attracting more views on YouTube. Good luck with your video.